Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something special, a long-term review of the legendary Xiaomi Mi 8, a phone that launched in 2018 and is now 7 years old in 2025. Can this classic flagship still hold up today? First up, let's talk about design. Even after 7 years, the Mi 8 still looks premium with its glass back and aluminum frame. However, compared to modern flagships with under-display cameras and curved-edge displays, the Mi 8 definitely feels a bit dated. One thing I love is the fingerprint sensor on the back. One of the highlights of this phone was its 6.21-inch Super AMOLED display. It's still decent. The resolution is 1080p, which is still sharp enough for most tasks, though you'll notice the lack of high refresh rates. The Snapdragon 845 was a beast back in the day. For day-to-day tasks, like social media, YouTube, and browsing, it's still usable but not as snappy, but don't expect to run the latest titles at max settings. The phone heats up a bit, but it's manageable. The 12MP dual camera setup was flagship level back then. Main sensor still takes decent photos in good lighting, but low light performance is lacking compared to modern smartphones. If you're a casual user, it's still usable, but modern budget phones have much better cameras. Video recording maxes out at 4K 60 frames per second, which is fine for casual use, but don't expect stabilization or HDR. The 3400 mAh battery was decent in 2018, but after 7 years of aging, expect poor battery life in 2025. Screen on time 3 to 4 hours. 18W fast charging is too slow for 2025 standards. So, should you buy or use the Xiaomi Mi 8 in 2025? If you're on a tight budget, it's a solid choice for basic tasks, social media, YouTube, casual gaming. But if you want better cameras, performance and battery, it's time to move on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.